All right, welcome to learning how to work with your flash drive and cloud storage. So I've inserted my flash drive into my USB drive, and the first thing that came up was this pop-up because of some of the different things I have. Often you're going to get pop-ups like this. I'm going to click cancel. That's usually what you need to do when doing those kind of actions. So I went to my folder here, looking at my PC. And normally this is what you see. You see your documents, different things like that, and then you have your different drives here. And you can see that my flash drive, which I've named Galactica, is right here. And so I can see my flash drive like that. And I have all these different files here that I can be looking at and working with. So that's where it's located. It's located in the F drive. Then I'm going to quickly open up a Word document, and I'm going to talk about how to save to different places. So as Word is opening quickly, all right, so I've opened up Word. As you can see, type something in here so it's worth saving. So now I'm going to go to File, and I want to go to, if this is the first time you're ever saving, you can go to Save or Save As. It's really going to take you to the same place. So if I click Save, in 2013, you're going to get this to pop up, and you're going to a number of locations where you can choose to save to. It's kind of the same thing in Windows 7. You're going to kind of get a scroll bar on the left, very similar to a window like this, where you're just going to scroll down to figure out where you want to save. You might have to scroll down to this PC or this computer and find your flash drive if you're saving to your flash drive. So in this case, I want to go to my computer, and if I just click browse, it's going to pop up a little window, and it's going to show me all the different options I have to save to for this. Now I want to save to my flash drive first, so I'm going to select Galactica, and then these are all the folders and files I have that are Word documents. And since I'm not going to put it in a specific folder, I'm just going to save it to my flash drive. I have it selected here, so I can just click Save. And now the document name has changed up here, and it's saved to my flash drive. All right. Then we're going to finish this tutorial just by looking at, we'll come back to cloud storage a different time. We're going to talk about, well, what happens when I'm done? I'm done with my computer. It's time to remove the flash drive. All right. There's a couple different things you do. First thing you have to do is you got to close the program. Now you have two options to safely remove your flash drive so you don't lose any of your data. All right. The first way is to go to your computer like this. This is normally open when you're working with your flash drive, and you can just right-click on your flash drive picture, or even this picture over here, and you'll see the word eject. And if you click that, it will safely remove your flash drive. The other way to do it is go down to this little arrow in the bottom right-hand corner, showing your hidden icons. You find the safe to remove, that comes up. You'll see the name of your flash drive. I click eject, and then you'll see this message, safe to remove hardware, which means you can safely remove your flash drive at that time. That's the basics for flash drives when it comes to plugging them in, how to save to them, and how to eject them properly. Last thing I want to say is the other thing that a lot of people get confused with. I'm going to plug my flash drive right back in again so you guys can see. Here it comes up. All right, here's that pop-up I told you might come up from time to time depending on the programs on your computer. So I'm opening up this document again in Microsoft Word, and as it finishes up, now we talk about drives, locations, and basically what you're seeing here is, right, where is this file saved right now? So if I go to the info and I kind of scroll down, it's going to tell me where all this stuff is located. I can even open up file location. It's telling me it's on my F drive. So that means when I'm done, if I go back and I edit something, I add one thing, if I click save, it's going to save right to my flash drive. If I want to save it as a different file, a different name, a different location, that's when I'm going to go up to File and go to Save As to move it to a new location. But if I want it in the same location, I just click Save Quick and I'm done. But if I want it in a new location, I'll go to Save As. All right, that's a long enough video for this first time, and that's the basics when it comes to working with a flash drive.